How to use BigCommerce. BigCommerce tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to create your own online store on BigCommerce. So let's get started. BigCommerce is world's leading e-commerce platform that allows you to create your online store and grow your business. BigCommerce is really famous for its online store and customizable features. You get powerful analytics tools to help you grow your business and sell your products. So if you're thinking to create an e-commerce business, then you should definitely check out bigcommerce.com. And I will show you how you can use BigCommerce and create your online store. So simply go to bigcommerce.com and you will land on this platform right here. If we talk about the features available on BigCommerce, then you will be able to find the industry of your choice. Then you can simply create your own themed store. WordPress integration is also available, and there are analytics tools that help you build your SEO and create your own merchandise. You can create your online store with all of the customizable features, and your store is also super professional. So now let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is simply sign up for BigCommerce. The signing up process is really easy. You can start your free trial. So to get a free trial, you will simply add your first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, store name, and what size your online business is. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and fill in this information. Once you fill in your information, such as your store name and what size your online business is, then you can simply go ahead and create your own store. Simply click right here. And now your store is being created. Once your store is created, then you will be able to create your own products. Now let me actually show you how you use BigCommerce and how you can actually avail all of the features and what features you will be getting. Before we get into our BigCommerce and I show you what industries are available and how you simply create a product, let me actually show you the pricing plan really quickly because you will be requesting a demo or getting a free trial at first, but then you will eventually have to buy a plan. So when it comes to the pricing plan, you can simply go ahead and request a pricing according to your business. We simply type in our income and the products that we will be setting up. You request a demo where you simply type in your projected online annual revenue. If you have no revenue, you can just simply let them know. Or if you are a big business earning 1 million to 20 million, or maybe a large enterprise, then you can simply go ahead and type in your revenue. If you're just starting out and it's less than 50K, then you can simply select this one. Then you will simply add your country. You have to add your company name, business email, and everything, and you will be able to request a demo for your own store. What industries are available on BigCommerce? When it comes to creating your own store, you might be wondering that what kind of industries you can go for. On BigCommerce, you can go with apparel and fashion, health and beauty, food and beverages, manufacturing, automotive, and CBD. You simply select your niche. Let's say that you are in health and beauty. So you can simply select this option, and then BigCommerce will allow you to contact an expert as well. You can simply check all the details that what different features you need or tools you will be provided if you have a beauty or health niche. And you will be able to read all of the blogs available, and you can simply go ahead and create your products. Once you select a niche, after that you will be able to check out all of the features and tools. If we talk about the features and tools in designing, then you will be able to fully customize your store with all of the themes and templates available. Then there is also a visual editor with simple drag and drop. Checkout customization is also available. You can also take a preview before you publish anything. And then, of course, we have a WordPress integration that allows you to add your BigCommerce store directly to your website. When it comes to the storefront conversion, you will be able to add coupons and discounts, work on the SEO to get more traffic with customizable URLs and out-of-the-box metadata. Then there is a merchandising option where you can simply use a drag and drop and it will help you create your own custom product. You can also accept payments with digital wallets such as Amazon Pay, PayPal, OneTouch, Apple Pay, and more. This really helps customer to pay with an easy method. When it comes to the automation, then there are different automation options available that help you save time and you can outsource your work. When it comes to cross channel e commerce, then you can simply go ahead and create multi storefronts. You can manage unique storefronts within your BigCommerce dashboard. There are different marketplaces sell where your customers are shopping by integrating with top marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, and Google Shopping. And if we talk about the B2B, then we have customer groups, price lists are available, and bulk pricing is available for you to take control. You can simply go ahead and customize your store with advanced search. And then when it comes to your customer service and your products, then e-commerce is actually available in internationally. There are multi-currencies available for global shoppers and you will be able to accept payments in more than 100 currencies. Then BigCommerce is also available in multiple languages and it is available around the world. So BigCommerce actually allows you to create a store of your dreams where you will be able to do anything you want to. When it comes to the tax, you will be automate your sale taxes with their own built-in tax tables. And then you can also get an analytics and reporting about your store that how your store is doing. With the SEO tools, you will be able to work on the SEO and your store will land higher in search results. This way, you will be able to grow and build a business that you always wanted to do. You can also do affiliate marketing with BigCommerce if you want to, and become an affiliate if you want to sell other people's product. And this is how you simply use BigCommerce. Now you know everything that you need to know to sign up. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video or if you have any question. And this brings us to the end of the video. If I was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.